This camp is organized by JSC and JOC, also Tokyo2020 organizing committee. That we collaborate to have to develop this program. Then we ask students relevant agencies.
強化は単にコーチがあるいはそこに行って練習がたくさんできてということじゃなくて、本当に総合力、科学とあるいはいろんなスタッフとあるいは法律の専門家と。
Operations team is formed with three persons. Actually, there are two managers of the Tokyo2020 gymnasium. Back in 1964, this venue was used for swimming.
日本のオリンピック・パラリンピックに向けた取り組みなどを視察していただいて、そしてこのスポーツフォートモールに対しても積極的にご意見、ご提言いただければと思います。
Innovation that try to help national federation to build the high performance system. We have more budget increase, and then since last year,
the Secretary General, representing Tuvalu, none other than
I think I have some pictures from London, where it's like a support house or a support center. In London, it was a small theater. But it's not. To me, it's not advising. First thing you put some in, like in a drink, or when you need to take a drink or something, you hardly need any ice. But if there's these small rubber balloons, they have like 200 liters of water.
グレコローマンのナショナルチームの合宿中です。本番と同じようなトレーニング環境で集中的にトレーニングを行っています。ここが非常実験場です。下にはですね、テントが埋まってますので、いいものと明日の力、今のすることができます。
クライミングウォールなんですけれども、コースによっていろいろ鍛えられるグラビテーションが終わった選手なんかは、ちゃんとこう姿勢が。
So before that, I'd like to introduce my boss. I'm in the International Relations Department in JC. So let me introduce the Director of International Relations in Japan, the Government Independent Administrative Organization.
エリートというのは先ほども申し上げましたが、こういうようにこちらのナショナルトレーニングセンターをメインでやりますけれども、
バランスの取れた自己管理能力の高い競技者ということを見ています。
カレッジアスリートは大学を卒業する時点でアスリート側と企業側と両方のニーズを満たすプログラムです。
Who are mainly the executive committee members and some of the international relations commission members of JISS.
Every morning or every afternoon and talk about how we do this, how we do. You have to make decisions straight away in many instances, so there has to be a very clear.
We look at what our connections to Rio are over here across the regime, so there's some process here as well.
It's a beauty. You know, they come from another sport, basketball, where they support their team.
Pacific Games, we are a very small island.
Our major target is our youth back in Tuvalu.
You're going to get the numbers there, and then you promote your activity. They didn't listen to us.
You can see the picture here is the participant for the sponsorship was.
Training schedule, the bus schedule for training and competition.
No pun intended, a bigger delegation with
Night Vision Games will have a chance to go to the Pacific Games.
With the media and with the public. When it comes to the Olympic Games, there's still not that awareness.
And business people and shareholders are actually giving a yes to support athletes.
The relation between countries. We are not into true sport, we are here. And this is the value we share.
I'm honored to be among some of the very experienced and knowledgeable people in this area.
We have to weigh the consequences of sending a big team versus what they can really do.
It's a beautiful morning here in Tokyo. So anyway, I'll catch you around. See you later.
Thank you.
No worries.
Actually, we are outside the two zones, just the upper north of Tokyo. Now we are going into Heritage Zone, then head to west.
Okay, now we are approaching to the stadium. The capacity of this stadium is 50,000. And then this facility hosts a lot of sports events. It's completely flat now.
We're here.
Yeah, we are here. Yeah. We are just here. And the triathlon venue will be set up here, and marathon swimming will be going around.
Lots of laps.
Yeah, in there.
Okay. Up there in there. Awesome.
Therefore, that they need to accommodate many different needs.
Different type of experience across the whole of that.
Yes, some buildings may have just the 2 bedrooms or something like that. That is now the design phase. We finish this summer. So,
That you would think of for have you experienced
The point of play is that I'm representing sport.
for you? So let us know when we're going out of that.
So when I go back, I'm going to put everything that I've learned from the Tomorrow Sport for Tomorrow program into action and make sure that our numbers to attend the Olympics will increase dramatically for Tokyo 2020.
Working together and collaborating or networking is the key to share and to gain more knowledge.
And after Tokyo 2020, the legacy will be there for the Japanese government, Japanese people. It's sports for tomorrow. And I hope the other countries who would host the next Olympic game would continue on pathway that Sports for Tomorrow Japan has initiated.
My expectation is to form a family, Sport for Tomorrow family, from this group that we have now, and work together as a Sport for Tomorrow family until the 2020 Olympic Games.